Hey everybody, it's Michael. Today I'm working on my client Marilyn's Sunbonnet Sue quilt. Adorable, old-fashioned, and fun. But the purpose of the video is really to show you foot control. My template for stitching around appliques. Many of you have asked for this, so here it is. And as always, if you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, and get notified. And you can always find more about me at michaelquilts.com. Okay, I'm working on my fills in these Sunbonnet Sue blocks, and I'm alternating echoing, and then the other block has a feather, a scalloped feather motif and pebbles. So this is time for foot control. So many of you have asked me how to use this and to see it in action. And foot control is really just something to help you while you're going super slow around intricate shapes or shapes where you just want to not make huge mistakes. Okay, so it's really just a helper, and it's got the indentations on the top and the bottom. That's hopping foot indentation, okay, just kind of helps you. And then it's got these nice curves on either side that lets you hold it with your fingers. It's shaped similar to a mouse, like a computer mouse, if you can see that. And if you've seen my previous rulers and videos, you know this has had many different shapes and things, but it always do the same thing. So this is the current version, and I like it. And really, it's just about, you know how when we talk about kissing, how I need the hopping foot to kiss with the ruler when we use our rulers, and you know, maintaining that connection. Well, it's the same thing here, and it's sort of like if I wanted to just outline this without anything, I have a chance to be, you know, a little bit wobbly. This pressure that's, you know, having me do something from both sides, it just gives you added control, hence the name control, foot control. So really, it's just helping me. It's helping me kind of glide very close to the edge of this applique, but it's just giving me more control, and that's what it's about. And to be honest with you, you can use a number of things to do this. You could use a straight ruler. You could use any ruler you have to just have that force here, but you know how I am. I like to buy lots of different things, and sometimes certain things work and then other things work better, and that's going to be personal preference with you. But this is my favorite thing for going slow around an applique. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm doing on this quilt is, see, this is getting really close. I have really good control. I'm going slow, but I am right up on there, if you can see that. And then I'm gonna have to watch it up here because these Sunbonnet Sues have embellishment, and I'm gonna actually get a pin and get this out of my way. Just trying to be gentle with it. Just something to hold it out of my way. Okay, so foot control is really just my little helper. I may have gotten one stitch in there, but I'm close. It's just my little helper. So what I was saying is you can use other things, but this is made specifically for this, and it fits so well in my hand. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out just so I don't run into the pin. All right. Okay, so again, I'm just going slow. I'm just using it to help me control what I'm doing. And I feel like I'm being very accurate with this. All right, so this is foot control. just like there are many different ways to accomplish the same task when we are piecing our quilts together, there are many tools that can accomplish the same task when we're quilting. And this just happens to be my favorite tool for quilting around applique. It's foot control. Here it is, okay? If you want it, go grab it in the shop, and happy quilting to everybody, and I will see you next time.